I made some mini funnel cakes with pancake mix. The ingredients are a half a cup of pancake mix, water, a teaspoon of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. My first lesson: do not cook funnel cakes in oil that is too hot. The cooking oil was smoking. That made the funnel cakes burn to a crisp in seconds. Once the oil cooled, I tried again. The skillet I used was small. The full-size funnel cakes would not brown no matter how long I cooked them. Using the rest of the pancake mix, I reduced the size of my funnel cakes. The smaller size cakes browned and were crispy, and it tastes like funnel cake.